Avoid retirement panic, shift to Gold IRA before crash strikes. Economic uncertainty is no longer a distant threat, it is a looming reality. Inflation, debt, and global instability can quickly unravel even the most carefully planned retirement. Relying solely on stocks and bonds leaves savings vulnerable. A Gold IRA offers a time-tested way to protect wealth before market turmoil escalates. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why Gold IRA is essential. Gold has preserved value for centuries, resisting inflation and market crashes. Unlike paper assets that collapse under pressure, gold provides stability. Allocating part of retirement savings into a Gold IRA ensures purchasing power and peace of mind. Benefits of a Gold IRA. 1. Inflation defense. Gold often rises when currencies weaken, safeguarding long-term value. 2. Crash protection. During financial downturns, gold historically outperforms traditional investments. 3. True diversification. Precious metals reduce reliance on volatile stock and bond markets. 4. Tax advantages. A self-directed Gold IRA may deliver tax benefits alongside physical asset security. 5. Enduring value. Gold is immune to corporate collapse or government default, unlike paper assets. The importance of timing. Shifting after a crash means locking in losses. Gold prices usually surge during crises, rewarding early movers. Acting now, before panic sets in, ensures protection and stability when markets unravel. How to make the shift. Choose a reputable custodian, follow IRS-approved guidelines, and select eligible bullion or coins. Professional advice ensures compliance and helps align the Gold IRA with retirement goals. Retirement panic can be avoided with foresight. A Gold IRA transforms uncertainty into resilience, creating a secure foundation in volatile times. By shifting before the crash, investors protect wealth, preserve stability, and gain lasting confidence. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.